Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to take the subway, bus, and other public transportations here in Korea. Follow me. You can see the bus is arriving after 9 minutes. So now I'm waiting for the bus. It would take 9 minutes to arrive. When you get on and get off the bus, you have to tap your bus card or your credit card. I arrive at Bucheonstation and I tap my card again in order to enter the subway. I am taking the line 1. I'm waiting for the subway to come. I'm here at Bucheonstation. So now you know how to take the subway and the bus, but please make sure that you would take the right line in taking the subway, because all subway lines were connected from line 1 to 9, so there are different colors and different stations. So please take note of that, especially line 1. There is a line subway going to Incheon and the other is going to Cheonan, so make sure that you will not miss this one. And please download an application for subway in Korea, so you will not be confused in transferring subway. Okay, so for other comments and suggestions, please leave a comment below, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.